Alright, so today I'm going to be working on the S2000. I don't feel like it, but need to change my fluid. So I'm going to be doing my diff fluid and my transmission fluid. And AMS oil, severe gear oil, 75W140. Everybody preaches it, and I believe it. So why not? I'm also going to be doing a bracket, oh shit, to help with my heat problem, cause like, yeah. Right now, I got a new downpipe done, thanks to Zeri. We'll just cut to that right quick. And need to figure out something to keep this fuse box from being so hot. But y'all asked to see S2000 stuff. I will answer your request. Let me just get this car up on jack stands right quick. And get to work. Ooh, looks like Tim got his resin applied. Getting ready to do that last coat. Oh, all right. So I got my car on jack stands. I think it's level. Might be a little unlevel, but it'll do. Now I gotta get ready to go under and do all the fun stuff, like drain fluid. Ugh, that crap stinks. So I'm about to get ready to knock that out. I guess I'll be using the GoPro here on out because I don't want to mess up my good camera. I don't know about y'all, but yeah, get this GoPro game going. Try and hurry up and get this done so I can get ready to document the Datsun, because it's a lot going on with that tonight as well. But before you go, always get you some good old pre-workout. Ooh, y'all see that arm action? Your boy's strong. If I didn't mention it before, this is a built diff by Putty Mod. I went with I think I did a 3.9. Stock, they come 4.1. So like if you boost your car, he always recommends just do a little lower gear ratio so you get more torque. And yeah, it feels better with boost. So I'm gonna come right back to y'all after I wipe my hands of this lovely smell. It smells like death. All right, so now that I'm back from under that car, about to hook up this little pump to my fluid, which like I said before, I get that AMS oil, baby. And basically with this pump, you just get it from like Advance or whatever. Tighten it down. It just screws on like your original, I guess, cap in a sense. Or at least it should. Boom. And you're gonna stick this guy inside your fill hole. Look guys, let's act our age and not our shoe size. Some of this stuff when you work on cars can be a little suspect, but bear with me. Get ready to make this heat shield for my downpipe.
About time. I'm surprised you haven't melted that thing.
Yeah, me neither. Just finished cleaning all my old fluid out. Greg the fabricator. Look at him go. This guy is such a handy guy.
This is gonna be the only thing. Nope, super easy. You like that?
Oh, yeah.
Because then this will bolt right here, and then this one you'll just put a lower piece on it, and then bend that also.
So right now we're making a heat shield for the fuse box, which is ghetto fab temporarily until I decide to move it under the passenger seat. not passenger seat, under the dash on the passenger side.
That's where you're gonna go with it?
Yeah, I'm gonna figure out, I gotta extend the wires. Got a little 4-inch flex in here now, help with the vibrations. Cause them S2000 harmonics are chaotic. So yeah, let's get to it.
I just marked, this is a 90-degree bend, 45, 90, 90. So you bend it all up.
You sure you're in the right field? Cause you need to be a fabricator.
I don't know what field I'm in. I do everything.
This man need to be a fabricator. Look at that. Literally 2 minutes. Maybe 5.
Yeah, maybe. All right, well, let's get the aluminum out. And then, I'm not sure what gauge it is. But thin aluminum, because it'll be pretty strong once you put all these bends in it.
So the whole goal is to keep some of this heat from heating up the wrong components. So that means I have to keep that fuse box a little cold, because if it stays hot, it might melt some stuff.
This is not fabrication 101. This is minimal tools, very simple heat shield. 45, 90, 90.
What?
Done. This is a 90-degree bend, 45-degree bend, 90-degree bend, 90-degree bend. So this one bends this way, this one bends this way. We'll see. But since it's thin aluminum and I scored it, I'm just gonna put it in the vise and bend it, so you don't need a sheet metal bender or anything like that, even though it's probably better. But this will do the trick.
Utilize everything that you have the best way you can.
That's what I do most of the time. People are like, why don't you use this tool? I'm like, well, this is just how I like to do it. You should totally bend that. Wear a mask.
I'm not gonna lie, I tell him to wear a mask too, but Greg is savage. He don't like to do that.
This one bends away. Heat shield. That took all of what, 20 minutes? Well, we gotta drill holes in it, but.
After a hard day fabricating, he sits back to relax.
I'm plotting, I'm marinating, thinking this exhaust through.
Ooh.
Oh yeah.
So.
Got a ISR single exit exhaust. $300 shipped. I don't know how they do it.
Just finished the custom fab. You know what I'm saying?
Do a little custom fab.
Looking good. Gonna put some gold tape on this, but she gonna get her done.
All right, so now we're gonna do a cold start. Not like this is a really good reference for anybody because I have factory headers, ISR test pipe, ISR Y pipe, to custom piece of shit. I think it was a RX7 exhaust to a vibrant muffler, but it's all 3-inch basically with a vibrant muffler at the end and a bunch of leaks.
Alright, so we're just gonna time lapse from here on out while he gets this in the air. I mean,
not interesting. It's really annoying getting lowered cars on lifts. I might have just put this on there too.
What?
The sealant. Every flange on here is ISR, and none of them seem to seal.
Is that the orange? The orange one?
The orange one.
High temp or no?
Is this high temp?
Gasket maker?
Yeah.
So I normally have to use a copper one because that stuff wouldn't work.
Why?
That's not, but the copper one is for a higher temperature than right.
Oh, well, I mean, because you're turbo?
Yeah.
It seems like all of their flanges have like a bow to them. Or maybe it's like when they're welding. It's always slightly bowed outward. Every single one I had is leaked in the same spot. Hopefully I can squeeze that pipe in.
On installing the ISR exhaust, we encountered clearance issues. Now the homie Greg is making some slight adjustments.
It's definitely better. I think it's probably good. Yeah, I think so too. Imagine it in there, the Halo theme song. All right, check it out. Same test pipe back on, but I just sealed it because these had terrible leaks all on these sides. I don't know what I don't know. It doesn't even matter what the problem was, if it was my header or the test pipe, but it should be fixed. Had this Y pipe for a while now. I just added this. I just sealed these gaskets also just because I don't prevent any leaks.
God damn it, man, I keep hitting my head on this tire. All right, man, hurry up. Let's lower it down. Let's see what it sounds like.
We're ready.
Yeah, little ting, little rattle ting. I like it better. It sounds a lot cleaner. All right, and now that y'all have heard Greg's exhaust, let's hear my exhaust.
Rubbing your hands on it.
Look, man, don't be pointing on my car dirty. I know
It's
it's dirty.
super dirty. As often as I see you washing it on Instagram.
Enough. All right, outro. Where do we begin?
We sealed my entire exhaust. Hopefully it holds. No more exhaust leaks. We added I don't even know, Y pipe back ISR exhaust, not ISIS. So now it's just all ISR. Single exit. And we made a heat shield for yours. What did you do? Trans fluid, diff fluid, oil change?
Nah, I changed the trans fluid and the transmission fluid.
Diff and trans.
I mean, differential and transmission fluid. Diff, like I said, I went with the 75 140 AMS oil, severe gear oil, and that OEM transmission fluid. Another update.
It's green.
Welcome to Greg's new color. Completely forgot.
You got pop. When you go to drift events, you got to pop.
Oh.
This pops. When it was white, it just looked
Hella
like
basic.
like most people didn't even know it was painted, which is lame.
So, there you go. It's green. We didn't do a reveal because things been tight. Just got back from out of town. Let's do a couple shout outs. Shout out to
Built.
Thank
Built's
you.
YouTube channel. Go
for the
check
shout
him
out.
out. Tell him the Bandito sent you. Why is the compressor still on?
So yeah, thank you for the shout out. Glad we could give you some tips and advice to help you along with your build, I guess, from the process of doing a carbon fiber for the Datsun. Shout out to everybody that support us on Patreon. Thank you guys for being an awesome support system. And shout out to everybody that buys merchandise too. Like, you don't just have to buy, subscribe on Patreon. That's pretty much our day. We just did the exhaust, little S2000 stuff. Yeah, my arm was hurting.
It just winked. Don't forget to come to our meet August 4th. We'll be here. How are we giving out the address? Instagram?
Check the Instagram. We're gonna have the flyers on there. Damn, bro, this shit got me itchy.
And I don't know if we're gonna end up actually posting the address, or are we just gonna have people?
Oh no, we post the address on the flyer. I'll make a flyer for Instagram. Just follow Instagram, either me, follow Greg, Tim, or me, and you stay up to date.
Our Instagrams are gonna be at the end of the video.
Yes, and in the description.
All right, we love you guys.
Thank you.
We'll be back soon now that we're on a normal schedule again.
All right, cut. That's
Bye.
Enough.